Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely.
It is Saturday and we are at our favorite coffee place, and there's a little market. So we're just looking over the balcony, watching, and might go check out the little booths.
If I had an option to be someone else.
It is Saturday night and we are back at Nogui's because the presentation was so beautiful and the prices were so good. We had to come back, and now I'm gonna get the lomito, which is the little tenderloin with the sides and everything. So good. Ooh. So there's Nogui's. So when you're in Tamarindo, you know where to come for the good stuff. And then we also got these guaro drinks. That's like one of the national drinks apparently. It's called the Congo Guaro. So that's what we got because we have 2 more days here, not even. So we're gonna be as Costa Rican as possible. That's the piece of calamari I'm gonna try when my drink comes, just in case. Look at the drink now. This is so beautiful. Guaro sour. This is my lomito. It's a beautiful tenderloin. And this, in all its glory, is a red snapper stuffed with shrimp. Wow.
How do I eat it?
All it knows is that little nibble. It's like, what else you got? What else you got for me? 100 meters. We are at Playa Avellana, and it's supposed to be like Little Hawaii, supposedly. I think the waves here, like when it's bigger wave time, are really spectacular. It's supposed to be really amazing here. We do feel a little weird because we got waved into a parking lot that cost money that we really didn't need to go to. And we also just tried to talk into paying more for chairs. But we are settling in now. It's kind of cool. That's like lava rock. We have that at our beach too.
You give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
We're at the world famous Lola's, going to have some lunch. We ordered a drink called the Monkey. Lunch has arrived. There's Lola.
No, I'd do anything to be in your arms again.
We're so sad it's the last night. Oh. But it's a beautiful sunset and we're just gonna enjoy.
Just give me one more talking to you. Here we go again.
Party.
Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all
Sunday night, everybody's having a fun time. It's crazy out here.
I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow.
sun update.
Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I
Everyone
should
is
be
anxiously waiting.
that I should be.
Last meal was my first meal. Chicken sandwich with these delicious french fries. This is so good. It's our last morning. We're leaving soon, so we came to Punto, San Francisco.
Give me a sign. Give me a sign. Baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
Sunrise.
Just give me one more. Talking to you and
That's the island we went to.
staying up all night to see
Looks
if
so
you've
close
been
now.
texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in.
Playa Langosta.
Give me a sign.